Here is my quick solution to get an item to run concentrically the easy way. I made a couple of leveling sticks that work in seconds when my project is wobbly in the chuck. It works with spindle projects, turn-lidded boxes when you have to chuck both ends and it just won't run true. It works with bowls that won't center with the traditional jam chuck. I use bearings or a soft skate wheel so I don't leave a mark on the project and have to resand it or refinish it. These leveling sticks work remarkably well and they are fast. Using a soft touch, you need the chuck to be just tight enough to hold the project, but loose enough for it to move to center without coming out of the jaws. You have to use a little bit of speed and don't be in a hurry. When it's centered up, you can tighten the scroll chuck and get to work. Every situation is different. It doesn't matter if you come up underneath your project or whether you push directly in. They work great either way.